Looking to extract just the month name from a full date in Excel? Whether you're organizing event timelines, building monthly sales reports, or managing project schedules, this quick tip will save you time and help keep your data streamlined. Okay, let's dive right in. Let's walk through a real example. Here's a list of dates in column A. We want to display the full month name in column B based on the dates in column A. First, click on cell B2. Type equals text. Now click on cell A2. Type a comma. Then inside double quotation marks, enter M 4 times. This tells Excel to return the full month name. Your final formula should look like this. Now hit enter. And just like that. To apply this formula to the rest of the column, simply drag the fill handle down. Or double-click on the bottom right corner of the cell, and Excel will generate the month name for each corresponding date. The text function is formatting your date using a custom number format. If you want a short version, use mmmm instead. You can also use custom format. First, select your date cells. Press Ctrl +1 to open the Format Cell dialog box. Under Number tab, go to Custom. In the Type box, type M 4 times. Finally, hit OK. And that's it. Which method will you use? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your Excel-loving friends, and subscribe to Easy Click Learning for more Excel tips every week. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.